Hey guys, what up? Here, Jesse from Physics 101. David, how you doing today? So, this is a little late. This is the weekly review for weeks 5 and 6. Now, why that this is a little late is because I've been busy working on stuff and all that kind of stuff. Work, class, all that kind of fun stuff. But during the week we had two things going on. One of the things we did was a discussion. Where is it? Modules. Here we are. Our discussion. The most important questions. These questions. This is basically give a rundown of the article here. Just basically. Oh, hello. That's not good. No, go away. These questions are basically questions that you want to ask yourself to look forward to, the day that, you want to, what you want to do in life, how are you going to plan ahead, that kind of stuff, have you been a good person? And, there's a lot of good things here, one of the first things, if I find mine, here we are. My thing says, my reply that I gave to the questions was that it showed that life has many roadblocks that I need to overcome, and for me, anyways, that was procrastination, because I always procrastinate. But but the article does show that you have to overcome some challenges in order to feel good about yourself and to take that step to doing what you want to do. And that's very, very amazing. That's something that I want to do. I want to get past these roadblocks and to do the things I want to do. Go to meteorology, all that kind of stuff. Something that other people's was really good. Dean's, if I remember, no, it wasn't Dean. It was, who was it? It was Nathan's. Actually came up with a really good point. Was that how should basically what's the point of improving someone else's life by improving your life when it's your life that's important? Well, I actually said that it's actually meant for close friends and family, not complete strangers. You want to, improve your life so that other people around you can see yourself as a good person or as a successful person in life. And I think it's really, really good. But nonetheless, it's meant for, improving someone else's life. It really is meant for close friends and family, that kind of stuff. So that's what that about the article, and it was actually pretty good. The next thing we did was Reap Wrap. It's kind of cool, actually. Nice little thing. My thing to it all was that I didn't understand really what it is. I mean, a printer that prints itself, it's odd, it's something that I really don't understand or anything. There's not a lot on it at the moment. As I look through other people's comments at the moment, looks like a replicating machine to print plastic objects. Frankly, people that chat, yeah, okay, I'm just mumbling along here, and I really actually don't. And some of the things that people have responded to was that, I don't get it, unfortunately. Yeah. So, the last thing, the one that kind of really ended the week was the discussion, the interview, which I bombed. Reason is that I did not do my research. Basically the question was, for me anyways, how do we achieve that faster than light travel? How do we do that? Well, some of the things were actually very, that are already out there, lasers, pushing objects that are, that can, move, 20% the speed of light and so forth. M drive that, uses, weird pseudoscience, stuff. But the one I love, and the one I've, recommend that could be a possible thing if, we could actually do it, is the Alcubierre drive, which is really cool, actually. Basically, at the front, it squishes space and then expands space behind it. It's really, really cool. And basically, you could possibly achieve speeds, beyond, speed of light, that warp technology like in Star Trek, because that's awesome. And I really hope that that I can actually do this Tuesday, which is going to be fun. Other than that, the interview just basically consists of, after the interview, which I didn't, basically it was just a recap of what I learned. Motion diagrams, position versus time, acceleration versus time, velocity versus time, all that kind of stuff. Force diagrams, I still have an issue with. I kind of understand how it's supposed to work now. Unfortunately, I don't have anything to show you that can represent it, but I do get a greater concept of it, or net force is very important, and it's not a good idea, it's the law. So, yeah. So hopefully I can do better in class, and hopefully get that B I'm working towards. That's all, folks. Have a good night.